What's up guys? So tempo tayo today. So kasama natin ngayon yung run club natin, Tribo Mananakbo. So for today's video guys, I am using my Nike Vaporfly 4. Yeah. Let's go. Hataw natin to. Let's go.
Pinagagawa.
So 20 minutes warm up tayo guys. Let's go. 20 minutes warm up. So tapos na yung 20 minutes easy pace.
Instead, walong sets. Gawin natin 1 kilometro yung doon, di ba?
Set 1 at 5:30 pace.
Uy! Lupit ni Kay! Let's go, Kay!
5:30, let's go!
Let's go! Tabi! Kapaksuan ka namin, Kay, para dito ka lang. Hindi ka na makakalis.
So we're done guys. Only 4 sets lang ginawa natin kasi meron pa tayong lakad. Meron pa tayong meeting. So at least naka 7.5 kilometers tayo. So bawi tayo next week or this week para sa intervals. And we have 4 weeks to go para mag-Adnoc Marathon. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe that button guys. Peace.